Guys, we need to be careful. If you have a video like this and if you are not yet monetized, we need to be careful. If you have shocking videos, violence videos, videos not suitable to the audience, and if you have video also that capture the cigarettes and alcohol, which is not allowed here in Facebook and it's not aligned with the Facebook community guideline, so we need to be careful. So we need to upload only video which is aligned with the Facebook community guideline. Guys, in order to monetize, here in Facebook, we need to follow which is allowed on Facebook. So those said it is not allowed and it's forbidden here in Facebook. Otherwise, you are getting violation and you miss your chance to monetize. So in order to monetize, we need to upload informative entertainment content so that we have a chance and or possibility that we viral and we monetize. So we need to put in our mind that those videos, shocking videos, violence videos, or any kinds of substance that captured on camera like alcohol or cigarettes is not allowed to show on the video. Please, we need to avoid on that. Otherwise, we are getting violation. Please like and share. Thank you so much and have a nice day.